Hey guys, so we're back again with a different video here. Now this company, Samply, reached out to me. They emailed me, I think, last week. They wanted me to sponsor their product. So I wanted to check it out and see what we have here. Asked me if I could do a review on it. So happy to do so. I got this on Amazon today. Now these are, this is a cooling pack for your neck, okay? They have different colors. I think I didn't exactly see the color, but they have 3 or 4 different colors, and it's on Amazon for $19.99. I think what they start at. So I want to show you the packaging first, and then I'll unbox it here and then show you how it works. So really nice packaging here. It's got the spot gloss on that. That's kind of nice and appealing to the eye. Reusable, multi-purpose, flexible, stay cool anywhere, anytime. So as we turn over to the back side, some very simple instructions here. I mean, there's not much to it. It's a cooling pack, so very easy to follow. You fill it with ice and water to your desired temperature, and then of course you just put it on your neck, right? So what's it used for? Sporting events. You can use it outside, cold compress if you need some ice on the back of your neck or whatever you have. Beat the heat at work, home, on the go. So lots of different uses, multi-purpose. So let's take a look. Let's take a look at what we got. I'm almost dropping it. Well, good thing it's silicone, right? Okay, here we go. Inside the box. Little instruction manual, don't need to really worry about that. It's pretty self-explanatory, right? Nice packaging. Okay, so first glance, it's very flexible. It's like a silicone material. Looks pretty heavy duty actually for what it is, but it's got to have room to, you know, accommodate the ice and the water. And as far as how it works, you just unscrew this, and that's pretty simple, right? You just pour your water and put some ice cubes in there, close it up, and then you just put it on your neck like this, and you just relax, right? You just relax and enjoy the nice cool temperatures. And that's pretty much it. I mean, what else is there, right? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna check this out, and then I'm gonna do a short follow-up video with this, and then see how I like it. So stay tuned for the sequel, and we'll see you soon.